Hello friends, welcome back. So today's topic is LACP configuration on multi-layer switchers using a mini lab topology with Cisco Packet Tracer tool. So let's begin. So here I have taken four devices, two PC and two multi-layer switchers, and I have already assigned IP addresses on the PCs. So the left side is 10.1.10.10.10.10 with a default gateway as 10.10.10.1. And similarly on the right side it is 20.20.20 with the gateway as 20.20.20.1. And if you go to the switch, so this is the multi-layer switch, which is on the right side, multi-layer switch 1. And if you see the interfaces, they are all up right now and no LACP configured as of now. So, but they are connected and up now. So let's begin the configuration. Just go to global config mode and then go to interface GI0/3 and configure the gateway IP address, which is 10.10. And before you configure, make sure you make it as a L3 interface by giving no switch port. And then I assign IP address 10.10.10.1 with the subnet mask /24. So now go to configuration mode and then go to interface GA0 slash you can give the interface range GA101-2. So and then make sure these ports are all no switch port. You need to configure no switch port to make them a L3 interface and usable. Similarly, go create a port channel 1 and make sure that interface also configured as no switch port to get it used as a L3 interface. So now go to the again interface range GHI101-2 and ensure you're going to configure the LACP bundle. So just type channel group 1 mode, and then if you see we are going to configure LACP, so you should configure active. So now the bundles are active now, and now go to the and before that you need to configure channel protocol as well, because you are going to specifically configure LACP on this port channel. So channel protocol LACP, and then now go to interface port channel and then assign an IP address for this port channel. That is we have already made it as a L3 interface, so you can assign an IP address 192.168.10.1. So now all the ports are up and running with the gateway interface as well for the PC1. So now similar configuration should be done on the other switch, multi-layer switch, which is on the right side, layer 2 switch, multi-layer switch 2. So just go to interface range GI101-2 and then ensure they make them as an layer 3 interface by giving no switch port, and then configure the LACP bundle. So by configuring channel group 1 mode active and then channel protocol LACP. So to ensure you are activating the LACP on this member links. So we have done that. So no shut, and all the interfaces are up and running now. So now go to this port channel again. Make sure you are going to assign the IP address similar to the other switch to make them connected. So it is 192.168.10.2 here. So it's been configured. Now you can see all the ports are up and running. So you need to configure the gateway IP address as well, because there is no configured gateway IP as well here. So just go to interface GI103 and then assign IP address here as a network 20.20.20.1 as the gateway interface with /24 for PC2 to act as a for PC2 to be a gateway. So now you can see we don't have a route here, so we are going to configure route on both the switches. So enable IP routing. I didn't mention it on this first switch, so you can see here I'm enabling IP routing and then configuring the IP route. So I've already done on the other switch. So give IP route. Here you need to reach the 10 network. So 10 network with a subnet mask, and the gateway interface should be 10.1, 192.168.10.1. So if you see the show IP route, you can see the routing table. So now you can just see show ether channels. You can see the LACP has been activated as a protocol for the bundle for a link aggregation protocol, and you can see show ether channel summary. Two member links are there for the port channel 1, and you can see they are L3, that is RU means router L3, and you can see show ether channel port channel. you can see these two interface member links are seen in the show ether channel port channel as a bundle. So you can see here also on the layer 2 switch, the other switch. So now we can start the testing. Just go to PC1 and make sure we are able to ping on the other PC 20.20.20. So it is pingable. Just go to the other PC2, and then try to ping the other end PC1, which is 10.10.10.10. So it is pingable. So we are having end-to-end reachability via LACP bundle, which we have created between the multi-layer switches. So let's initiate a continuous ping on one of the PC, let's say PC2. And again, here also we can do continuous ping. So both the PCs, we have initiated a continuous ping, and we are going to interrupt the traffic by shutting down one of the member link, GI101 on switch 2. So we have shut down the interfaces, but you can see the continuous ping is still going on. If you see the black screen of the PC, the continuous ping is still going on. So irrespective of your member link went down. So one of the member link has gone down by shutting down. You can see the output. Only one member interface is active in this port channel, but still we are able to pass the traffic across this LACP bundle that we have created between the multi-layer switches. So thereby we are achieving the link redundancy. I hope you have learned LACP configuration on multi-layer switch in this video, and see you in another video of BNB. Thanks for watching this video.